Hi viewers. With over 35 years of experience in healthcare as an administrator, I would like to give my observations during this COVID-19 and the status of hospitals in India. Why most of the hospitals are empty without patients during this COVID-19 lockdown? When lakhs and lakhs of patients are coming to hospitals every day before COVID 19, what happened to them now? When hospitals are getting 100 patients, outpatients, out of 100, 30 to 40 patients are new patients and 60 to 70 patients are review patients. If any patients, once he comes to the hospital, he has to visit minimum 3 to 4 times. First time he has to come for consultation, second time for investigations, third time for collecting reports and for the advice of the doctor. Fourth time after 1 week or 10 days he has to come for review with the doctor. Generally 30% of the ailments, common ailments like cold, cough, fever, will cure automatically after some time with a minimum dose of drugs. But generally, we will not have that much of patience to wait. So, we will go to the hospitals for the doctor's consultation. 30% of the diseases will cure with the treatment. The balance of diseases which are chronic either in nature or the life-threatening diseases like renal failure, cancer, other things, but they come to the hospital for treatment just to improve their lifestyle and also to prolong their lifespan of life. Now, the 30% of the patients who are suffering with common ailments like fever, cough, cold, they are not coming to the hospitals during this COVID 19. They are staying at home, and why they are not coming to the hospital? Because though they have the symptoms, they are not coming to the hospital, they are taking some traditional treatment at home, or they have fear that once they come to the hospital, where the hospital authorities or the doctors keep them under quarantine, and they have to be there in quarantine for 14 days. So, because of this fear, though they have the symptoms, they are not coming to the hospitals. Second thing, because of this lockdown, most of the people are at home. When they are at home and the movement vehicles are not there on the roads, and because of these reasons, the common infections like cold, cough, and fever, which are coming through viral, it is not spreading to the patients, and because there is no vehicle traffic movement on the roads, there is no road accidents. And third one is because they are at home, the stress levels are low and stress related ailments are not there. And other one is all the people are taking food at home and the roadside food is not available and the food poison cases are not coming to the hospitals. So the common ailment 30% of patients are not coming to the hospital, and because they are staying at home, the health is improved, and most of the chronic patients are either adjusting with some painkillers or some ointments and they are not coming to the hospitals. But those who are really required for emergency treatment, still they are coming to the hospitals. The hospitals are having less patients because there is no road accidents, no suicide attempts, no poison cases in the country, and no viral infections because there is no movement on the roads. All the elective cases are postponed. Though The entire world is under lockdown, but the healthcare workers, like doctors, nurses, and other paramedical staff, are still working for patients, keeping their life under risk. With the 30% of occupancy, bed occupancy, the hospitals are paying or incurring 100% of administrative and operational overheads. Prevention is better than cure. Take preventive measures and maintain good health. Thank you. Thank you very much.